Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are at this moment, and welcome to Just Free Hands, a channel that brings you everything hands-on and sustainable. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today I bring you 10 stunning facts about fish manure and why you must not skip it. This is a must-use fertilizer to anyone who loves sustainable farming and is willing to get a little dirty and put hands to work. Well, if you're not a hands-on person, then just listen for the education part of it and then hire someone else to do the work for you. Alright, let's get started. The number one reason why you must use fish manure in your garden or your farm is it's packed with essential nutrients. You see, fish manure contains high levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These key nutrients, plants need them to grow strong and healthy. Number 2, fish manure supercharges soil microbes. What does that mean? It means that fish manure boosts beneficial microbial activity, helping break down organic matter and improving soil fertility naturally. Moving on to the third reason as to why you must use fish manure in your garden or your farm. It's because it acts as a natural pesticide. Do you know how much pesticides cost? This is free, ladies and gentlemen. The organic compounds in fish manure can repel pests like aphids and mites while also strengthening plant immunity. Moving on to number 4 reason why you must use fish manure in your garden or your farm. It enhances root development. Its nutrient composition encourages deep root growth, making plants more resilient to drought and stress. Moving on to halfway now, the 5th reason why you must use fish manure is fish manure has a rapid nutrient absorption. What does that mean? It means that fish manure is easily absorbed by plants, ensuring quicker growth and healthier leaves, flowers, and fruits. The 6th reason why fish manure is so important and you cannot skip it in your garden or farm is because it boosts crop yields. Who does not want to have a bumper harvest? Well, I tell you what, farmers using fish fertilizer report higher yields with larger, more flavorful fruits and vegetables. The 7th reason as to why you must use fish manure is because it's sustainable and it's eco-friendly. Fish manure recycles fish waste, reducing environmental pollution and preventing harmful runoff from synthetic fertilizers. Number 8, the 8th reason why you must use fish manure in your farm or your garden is it improves water retention in soil. Fish manure enhances soil structure, helping it hold water better and reducing the need for frequent watering. Moving on to number 9. Fish manure works for all types of plants. It's suitable for vegetables, flowers, fruits, trees, and lawns, which makes it an all-purpose organic fertilizer. And ladies and gentlemen, the number 10 reason why you must use fish manure in your garden, in your farm, for your plants is fish manure eliminates chemical dependency. Using fish manure reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, making gardening and farming safer for the environment and human health. It also reduces costs from purchasing these fertilizers. There you had it. Ladies and gentlemen, would you like to know how to make or apply fish manure for maximum benefits? Well, if you would like to, subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell and keep coming here. You will see exactly how we utilize this precious product from our tilapia fish.